Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day. Today I am at my mom's house. I arrived here on Friday. It is now Sunday, Valentine's Day, so sending love to all of you who need a little bit of extra love. I am getting ready to eat. I'm going to do a little bit of editing because I have a lot of editing to do. So actually I'm going to do a lot of editing, and I'm going to try and vacuum this upstairs bed area. And I've been just staring at this that I need to work on. My mom has a nice little vacuum cleaner that detaches to like a little handheld one. I spent a couple hours editing, but I want to show you guys my thrifted outfit. It's super cute. I got these funky pants at a thrift store and this cute little shirt. It's like a little, kind of like a turtleneck, but it has a really nice material, if you can tell. And yes, I love my funky pants. Yeah, and I love that they have pockets and they're very comfy. I'm so happy with it. This bed area above the cab is very large, and tonight I'm hoping to sleep on it. First, I'm going to wash this covering, and then I will try and make the bed, and it's nice and soft, so I'm definitely keeping this. Like, look at that. I'm dreading getting to this at some point. Okay, so this is the scariest thing I've ever seen, but I lifted the bed. Oh my gosh, this is my eyes are watering because this is scary. There's a child's photo taped underneath the bed. I think it's taped. This is really scary. There's seriously nothing else under here, and it's like super clean, but what in the world? Why is this here? This is freaky. Okay, so it wasn't taped, but it was like, this is really sticky and it was stuck under there. But I'm not gonna show the child, obviously, because that's weird. But somebody has like family photos in here. What is this? Or is this just the name of the mattress? Oh, okay. It's just the mattress company. I was very, very freaked out by this because that was freaky, because it's getting dark and I'm just like, what in the world? Okay, yes, this is the bedding. It's a really great mattress. It's super comfortable. How to unpack your foam mattress. This foam mattress is super soft. So if any of you guys are curious, not sponsored, but if you guys want to sponsor me, I didn't buy it, but it came with my RV. Whoever had it last did good, because that's a great mattress. I ended up sleeping so good in my clean bed that night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure if you enjoyed the video, like the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you would like to support my channel, check out the description box where my Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, and Patreon are located. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!